What is going on, you guys? I'm sure this will not come as much of a surprise to you all, but I cannot stop driving this car. So hope you don't mind the POVs of the Lamborghini Aventador SV Roadster, 1 of 500. There's actually a plaque right over here that says 1 of 500. It is right here. Oh my gosh, and looking at this car, it is just so unbelievably beautiful. I mean, yeah, Lamborghini's flashy, right? It's the car you get if you want a bunch of attention, but still, I mean, it's flashy because it's just that well constructed. It is that beautiful. Let me know what you guys think about this combination, by the way. The blue, the orange, the black. I mean, the theme continues in the interior as well, and the 6.5 liter naturally aspirated V12 is right under there as well. So much room for that massive engine. I mean, this is a pretty long car, guys. It was surprising to me when I first actually like took a look at it for what it was. I mean, it is yeah, it's very long, very heavy too, about 4,000 pounds when all the fluids are filled up. Full carbon door as well. Start it up. All right, we got the car all warmed up, so we can go ahead and, well, start ripping on it right away. Park and brake off, put it in gear. Let's switch over to Corsa mode. Oh, and the view in here, guys, is unbelievable, unbelievable. Alcantara everywhere, the orange lines and accents. Even this orange, it's just so unbelievably cool. Let's roll up the windows just a tad. Those are some slow rolling windows, I must say. All right, let's turn the AC off. There we go. Yeah, guys, all the controls in here are really weird. I forget how to use them. You click off, that doesn't actually turn it off. It brings up this dial, and then you can turn down the air if you'd like to. Even using this entire menu system is controlled through this set of buttons here. So like if you want to go to memory, you actually have to click the up to the left button to go to memory. So yeah, I mean, that's what supercars do, I guess, is just make things very complicated. But what's not complicated is the gas pedal and the paddle shifters, and that's the fun part that you want. So let's go ahead and take off here. And there is not a lot of room with this windshield, guys. I mean, this car has the worst, by far the worst visibility I've ever seen. You can't see anything out of the rearview mirror either. This shouldn't even exist. Oh my gosh. Guys, my GoPro is tightly strapped to my head and it almost flew off my head from that shift. That's what I mean. This transmission is really what makes this car. Like, there's a lot of other cars you can get for way cheaper that feel just as fast, but none create the experience that this does, with the way it shifts and the way, I mean, most importantly, the way it sounds. And this car gets more looks than anything. It starts more conversations than anything. Here we go. We're out of here. I think I have to hold my GoPro for those shifts. Oh my gosh. Wow. cops around because you can't see anything but out a little bit out of your windshield here. So, kind of just got to take the risk. Get ready for this, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The more I drive this car, the more I could see myself daily driving this. As uncomfortable as it is, the seats you're sitting on actually feel like you're sitting on a rock. Like, I don't know if you've ever been hiking and then you just stop for a second and just like relax and take a seat on a rock. That's what these seats quite literally feel like. But it doesn't matter. I would daily drive this car, and it would not be cheap either. Oh, gotta hate red lights, because you just want to let this thing frickin' ring out, but you're stuck trying to obey the law. And here we go. Oh my gosh! Tunnel. Every time. I can't get enough of this. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm not sure if you can see my head like banging back through the camera, but I mean, that is seriously what these shifts feel like. It is that insanely aggressive. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I thought I saw a cop. We're gonna chill, we're gonna chill. It's not like this car is like I mean, it is insanely fast. It is insanely fast, but I don't know, you know when you're going fast, because this car feels so insane. Like, if you're going 100, you know you're going 100. So it's easy to keep track of when you're like kind of out of your mind and not being very mature inside of this car. Cars aren't everything in life, but yeah, this will make a man feel like he has everything that he needs. Oh my, I don't know how to explain this. Like, I would spend my life saving, I'm not even close to being able to spend my life savings on this car. Even if I were to use that, I wouldn't get approved to buy this car. But then let alone once you own the thing, I mean, the guy I picked this car up from said, like, regular service, like bringing this thing in for an oil change, you know, check a couple things over, you're looking at about $8,000 for that. If you were to drop the roof or damage it as you are taking it off, because this is a roadster, and placing it in the trunk, it's about $17,000 to $20,000. So basically about as much as the car that I actually own is the roof. That is insane. And now that we're coming to a stop, for those of you that don't know how to park your Lamborghini Aventador SV, just press both paddle shifters, put it in neutral, pull up the parking brake, flip this up, and then you can stop the car. And to get out of the car, pull this down, pull this up, lift the door up, and you're good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really appreciate all of you. I mean, this is insane that we're driving like this caliber of car now. I never thought this would even be possible. I'm serious. If you guys want to see more content with these types of cars, let me know. Happy to make them. And I'll see you guys very, very soon in the next video. Peace out.